Unboxing ng full system header for H2 Kawasaki. Ayan, ito yung box yan, no? Siyempre inalis ko na mabilis. Yan, yung mga box yan. So it's made of titanium handmade. Yan, it's titanium handmade. Then that's the muffler niya. Yan, order ng client. Pwede lang kayo order. Wow, nice. PM lang ako. So ayun, order ni bossing. It's also a titanium handmade. Full titanium siya. Yan, for H2 Kawasaki. Yan. It's a full system set. Sasapak na lang ni boss yan. Then ito yung mga springs and clamps, stainless clamps. Yan. Then yung para sa sensor pantakip. Yan. Then may kasama na syempre yung hook yan para mabilis mo maikabit. So ito yung muffler. Ayan. Pwede rin sa ZH2. We can make also for ZH2 or even for Z9. In a motorcycle, pay me lang ako for more details. Pero this set is for H2 Kawasaki. Yung order ni bossing motor niya H2 eh. So ayan, pay lang kayo for more details and how to order yan sa FB page or YouTube. So yun lang.